For the best price, click the link in the description. If you're tired of noisy surroundings ruining your listening experience, I'm about to reveal a game changer for you. But here's what surprised me when I tried out the Bose QuietComfort 45. It delivers incredible sound quality and noise cancellation that blows my mind. But it's not just about being quiet, there's something more at play. You see, as someone who's always on the go, I need earbuds that can keep up with my busy lifestyle. But most earbuds on the market are either too bulky or don't quite live up to their noise cancellation promises. Therefore, I was skeptical when I heard about the Bose QuietComfort 45, but after using them for a week, I'm hooked. What really sets these earbuds apart is their unique noise rejection technology that actively cancels out background noise while allowing you to hear important sounds like voices and traffic warnings. This means you can walk down a busy street without being distracted by the constant din of car horns and chatter. But what's even more impressive is how well they block out low-frequency rumbles, making them perfect for travel or noisy office environments. Let's dive deeper into these features and explore why I think the Bose QuietComfort 45 is worth considering. One thing to note is that these earbuds are not wireless, which might be a deal-breaker for some. However, this also means they're not prone to connectivity issues like wireless earbuds often are. I was able to pair them easily with my phone and laptop via Bluetooth, but I did experience some minor delays when switching between devices. This is something Bose could improve on in future updates, as seamless connectivity would take these earbuds to the next level. Nevertheless, I found their sound quality to be excellent, rich and detailed, with clear highs and deep bass. The noise cancellation feature is also surprisingly effective, making it easy to focus on my work or immerse myself in music without distractions. But what really gets me is how comfortable they are to wear for extended periods. The ear cushions fit snugly around my ears, and the lightweight design means I can forget I'm even wearing them. Now that we've covered some of the key features, let's talk about the elephant in the room: price. The Bose QuietComfort 45 is definitely an investment, but considering their quality and performance, I believe they're worth every penny. However, if you're on a tighter budget, you might want to consider alternative options that still offer great noise cancellation without breaking the bank. I'd recommend these earbuds for anyone who wants a reliable listening experience in noisy environments or for extended periods of time. But what about you? Are you looking for earbuds that can keep up with your busy lifestyle? Do you have any specific needs or preferences when it comes to noise cancellation and sound quality? In the end, I'm thoroughly impressed with the Bose QuietComfort 45's performance, but there are some potential drawbacks to consider. For one, they're not as portable as wireless earbuds, which can be a hindrance for travelers. Additionally, their battery life could be improved. It lasts around 24 hours on a single charge, but that's still less than what I'd expect from a high-end product. If you're looking to upgrade your listening experience and want the best of both worlds, noise cancellation and sound quality, then I highly recommend giving the Bose QuietComfort 45 a try. But before making a purchase, make sure to check out current deals on Amazon. You might be able to snag them at a discounted price. Ultimately, whether or not these earbuds are right for you depends on your specific needs and preferences. If you're willing to invest in the best, then I say go for it. But if budget is a concern, there are plenty of alternative options available that still offer great performance without the hefty price tag.